Welcome back, guys. It's Basim.
And Bossy.
And we about to have a seafood mukbang.
Seafood. Bitch, we eating salmon in a bag.
But guess what? That's still seafood. and salmon is expensive.
Nice and hot.
Oh, and you know, guys, I have to come with the rice because I can't. I need some rice. I need some rice. Yes, you see the bag is burned. It's burning.
It's cooked well done.
The bag is crispy.
Cooked well done.
Ooh, it's hard.
We're revealing it with you guys.
Yes. How you open yours so easy? So easy.
You gotta be careful.
It's hot still.
Be careful because you know sauce. So,
Oh my, yeah. Everything just looks so moist. Just looks moist and
smell my hot breath.
you see, you know this was cooking when the corn is looking like this. That's how you know it was cooking.
So, today we got salmon. Got a whole piece of wild caught salmon at that. Wild caught salmon. We have broccoli, Brussels sprouts, corn, potato,
Okra.
potato, okra. No, usually put some butter.
It's good.
You like it? Okay, good.
It's good.
Because she's the hard critic.
I'm not a hard critic. She is.
So, take the first bite with you guys. You want to see?
Yeah, I want them to see it all. Ooh, the potatoes is soft.
Ooh, look at the fish.
You need to see the fish. You need to. You need to move your head. Yes. See that.
Got that little nice and charred. It's charred. It's extra good. This is the best spot.
Some potatoes.
We got butter at the bottom. All that goodness. That's butter. All this is butter in the bag. It's just butter. You see the drip? You see that drip? You see that chard? Ah, you ain't playing with me. You see this chard? Y'all playing with me. Like, do you see that? I know she's enjoying it because I'm tasting it. I'm like, damn.
I wish I could put my hand in it, but I know I'm gonna burn myself.
Look at me, nice piece of fish. Take that bite.
Like, look at that pink. Like, it's just. It's bossing. It's bossing.
Got garlic, onions, potato.
Did you say broccoli?
More up close view.
Up close and personal. Like I'm drooling in my mouth.
That's what I'm talking about.
You know it's good is when you start sweating.
I always got it down for you.
If it wasn't so hot, it would have been done already. Done.
Looks nice and hot. It's good. Seafood boil. This is my version of a seafood. Butter. This is a 10 out of 10. Not playing. Yeah, I ain't never had nothing like this. Stop playing. It's a fish that's nice and tender.
You know, I know how to pick them. I know how to pick them out the sea. The right ones. You know what would be good, guys? You see all that butter? What I'm about to do. Make mess. So basically, rice and butter. Diabetes.
Don't gotta wash any dishes.
That's a fact.
We have at least like 2 pounds each on salmon. It is cooked perfect. So, whenever you got time for your man or whoever, family,
Friends.
you gotta make this
Yourself. Because you're always special.
You gotta make this for them.
Just a good meal for people that don't eat meat.
Back.
It's healthy. It's light. You can put whatever seasoning you want. Feeling like a pasta for a second. Preach.
Girl. This thing is like it's kicking my ass.
The ass that we shall have. Oh my gosh. The light.
How many minutes is this? Damn, we're in the dark. Can't see us. Should I put the light back on? 1 second.
It's probably the computer turned off because the charger's over here.
Just turned off.
Me, what's that? Good. Mm-hmm. Protein. Your head. Oh.
I actually put chayote in it too. If you guys don't know, chayote. Chayote.
And turmeric. It gives it a nice color too.
That's some chayote. It's a green vegetable. Eat the corn. Cheers. Bodied it. This right here is my I'm amazed. That's it. You guys have to try this out. Like, you wouldn't miss a thing. Got me real hot. You guys would not be disappointed. Well, you guys would not be disappointed. Try it out. Tell me what you think. And we'll see you on our next video. You guys gotta tell us what you guys want to listen to.
What you guys want us to talk about. If you guys want us to play any games, pranks, it don't even matter.
Just let us know. But this was amazing. Guys,
give it a 10. You need to let us know what you give it.
And when you do,
Comment.
let us know. Gotta let us know.
Because we want to know how you guys feel about this. Do we really need the shrimps? The big crab legs? Or is it fine just salmon with veggies?
With veggies.
That's what we was eating the whole entire time. This
Tell
was
me
amazing.
what you think. Like,
you guys, subscribe,
comment.
let us know.
What'd you like?
Because we want to know. We want to know.
And that's a wrap. Peace, guys.